In the previous lesson, we built this home page. In this lesson, I want to add just a little more to it. Not a whole lot, just probably a call to action at the bottom of this. Again, the goal of this course is to be able to help you to build a simple site that you can get up and going, really fast. So if you're ready to log in, you see this tab that says edit page. Let's click on that. And we're going to scroll to the bottom. Okay, I want to add something here to the bottom, at the very bottom. So you want to go to add element. You want to go over to sections library. And let's see what we want to add here. This is where you can be creative. So I want to add a call to action. When you click on this, you have different types of call to actions that you can incorporate. So you choose whichever one that you think works for your business. So I'm just going to grab this one right here. I like how this one looks. I'm going to grab it and then just drop it at the very bottom. So now I have a call to action, and you can choose any one of these. You can, whichever one that you like. So I'm going to come, and it's 100 pixels. It's too much space. I'm going to close that gap, and I'm going to close this gap here as well. Now what I want to do with this button, I can put in, shop all products, shop. So let's change the shop all products. And then I'm going to link this to the menu, to the shop page. Now for the style, I can click on the drop down. I can choose the default. I can choose the primary. When you choose it, it's going to change based on the settings for it. So if you scroll down, you go to custom. That's what you have for the custom. If you want to change it to something else, you can have a gradient. But I'm just going to keep it simple with that. So for this one, I can say something like get access to all of our products. Again, you can put whatever you want there. And I'm going to put a little more space. So now I'm going to click here to save. So I click on this. I want to put a little bit more space to the bottom. And we're going to put, let's see how 40 looks. So if we put 40, we'll give enough space so it's not touching this bar at the bottom, right? But again, because that lock was on, it changed everything to 40. So I'm going to take that lock off. And I just want to change this. Let's just put 50. So it's just the bottom that's affected. And I'm going to click on save. And let's preview this. So once you preview it, now you have this shop all of our products at the very bottom. And another cool thing that I can do is I want to add a little bit design. So right now it's just this white space. You can leave it like that. But I want to change it, so I am going to the top shape. Click on this drop down. Let's see what a brush looks like. So now I have this brush effect. I can change the width. If I wanted to take that whole bottom part, I can do something like that. Again, you do that just to be creative. You don't necessarily have to. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you so many different styles of shapes that you can be able to use. So I'm going to go through here and paper torn. So I'm just going to leave it at that. And I can change the color as well. So you see right there, change the color. So I'm going to leave it something like that. You can be more creative. You can change the width. You can bring it to the front. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Let's see what this looks like now. So it's saying shop, get access to all our products. I like how that looks. It's clean, it's simple, it's straight to the point. And at this point, your store is looking pretty good.